First off, it's awesome that you're this young and get into the market. Second off, your mind is totally in the wrong spot. Now, for the vast majority of you, I would hope that when I read through this, the issue will be glaringly obvious. This problem or maybe potential problem does not pertain to you. And good, excellent, you know that you're on the right path. But I do also know that a lot of younger people watch the channel and watch these videos. So I really want to speak to you because it exists out there, and I get it. When you're 18, I'm not looking down at young people, but when you're 18, like I said, first off, if you're like 22 or below and you're watching my channel and all that, good for you. I'm jealous of you. I wish I would have gotten interested in the stock market as soon as in life as what you're doing. So by no means, I'm not looking down on you. I'm jealous of you. But because I want to help you out, let's just make sure that you're getting, your framework right up front from the kind of putting expectations in line with reality. Because in some situations, and not it just doesn't pertain to younger people, but it mainly does because younger people today just don't have as much life experience as somebody that's maybe older. And again, I don't say that I'm so much better because I have more life experience. I'm just saying that's just kind of a fact of life. That's why people that are older, you would want to go for them for wisdom, right? Because they've seen a lot of stuff. They've been through a lot of stuff. So I want to just make sure that as a younger person, you realize that this sort of mentality, that this is just not how the world works. I realize some people make it portray that way, but I'm here to give you some reality. So a comment I got through the live chat software on our site for the customer service, right here you see, I'm an 18-year-old college student and have heard of some friends who have gotten into day trading. And I'm also really tight on money and was looking for easy to turn roughly $500 I have left into big money. So do you see this? You see, again, awesome. I'm so glad that you're 18 and you're already interested in the markets and you want to get into trading. Well done. But massive red flag words. You're tight on money. You only have $500 and you want to make that into big money. Oh, and you want it easy. That's not how this works. The markets are not easy. This is where the brightest people in the world compete. And I use compete very deliberately because it is a competition. You are competing against other people. Think about it. When you go to, let's just say a stock, when you buy a stock, that means the person you are buying it from thinks, you know what? I don't think it's going to go up any higher. Because if they did think it was going to go up higher, well, then they would just sell it higher. They think that the price is done going up. But why would you be buying it? Because you think, no, this price isn't done going up. It's going up. So every time, every transaction in the market, there is somebody that is right. There is somebody that is wrong. That's the competition. So to show up and think that this is going to be easy or anything like that, once again, I'm not calling you stupid because I do realize that there's so much stuff out there on social media and YouTube and just all over the place that, the people don't flat out sit there and say, hey, trading is easy, but they imply that, oh, it's so easy, and look at all these riches, look at this car, look at this watch, I'm on a yacht right now. That's not how it works, though. So don't think that you can show up with $500 and it's just, there's some sort of easy way to turn that $500 into big money. Now, can you turn that $500 into big money? Yeah, you could take a gamble. The gamble could work out. But here's the thing, and I've seen it happen all the time. You'll end up losing that money because it's not like you actually used any skills to turn the $500 into a bigger amount. You just got lucky, and then you'd have fool's gold because, wow, look what I did. I'm so great. Let's do it again. And maybe it works again, but all it takes is that one time where it doesn't work, and poof, everything is gone. So again, just kind of realize that if you're younger, I get it. Wow, glitz and glamour all over the place. But at the core, it takes a lot more than that. And easy should not have any place in the discussion when it comes to trading. Possible? Absolutely. Easy? No, especially when you're starting off with $500 and you want to make that big money. So just keep that in mind. And once again, I'm well aware that the majority of you are probably, you get it, you're aware of this. But I just want to, keep it out there for you younger viewers out there. Don't be brainwashed. Don't be sidetracked or have your, perceptions and reality all twisted and turned because you're looking at people and you're following people that aren't actually telling to you how it is. But as long as you're ready to show up and realize that it takes hard work and there's no easy way to go about it, you're putting yourself in the best position possible right from the start, which again is so awesome as a younger person. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.